hello measures but now basically the height is increased to 35,000 kilometers. Just rough example, in real basically it might not be like that. So 1% of that means land creation has happened basically in the Vadodara. In Vadodara basically land creation has happened. So 1% told that means Vadodara basically is having assumed that basically 2 lakh buildings basically in Vadodara. They are 100% going to use in somewhere in production basically. Then 1% of the yes basically. They are 100% basically used in some creation. So 1% of where they might be getting used. So for that basically best place is the visa department basically. Who issues the visa basically? Who issue the visa basically? In this basically they will never give me the visa. Why? Because they have not given me the job only in Mumbai basically. In Bangalore basically. That means they will never give me the visa basically. So here basically we are ignoring myself basically because there is no contribution of Sunil Nair basically in universe and in our planet. So that basically, so you have to ignore basically Sunil Nair because somebody has done this plan basically. So now basically the Vadodara city basically is going to create 1 lakh building. They have created it on the base of land creation already done basically. Now assume that basically what they might be creating basically. Then 1% told that the city basically who are into the creation basically they never jumps into one category. For example, oil. They never jumps into oil single basically. They might be getting used in oils, petrol creation, some vegetable seeds creation, some iron creation because iron is also creating basically in the land basically. Iron process basically is happening basically inside the land basically. So if you dig to that side basically, you will get the iron. Why? Because process basically is happening from that set of buildings basically which is in Earth planet. So next video.